in the universe. Oh, oh, wonderful life.
When I remember, kabalo mo? When I remember what the Lord has done, I'm never going back anymore. When I remember what the Lord has done, I'm never going back anymore.
No, you take it. I want to be in it.
And never, no, never, no, never, I never going back anymore. When I remember what the Lord has done, I'm never going back anymore. When I remember what the Lord has done, I'm never going back anymore. No, never, never, No, never, never, No, never, never, I'm never going back anymore.
Sige, parot.
Jesus is the way. Okay, go. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. His Father over me is love. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. His Father over me is love. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. His Father over me is love. His Father over me is love.
Verse. Memory verse. Patagas lang memory verse. Sige. Ganit. Sige. Say mo unang hatag. Oh. Sige. Say mo unang hatag.
Lingkod sa tong uban. Okay.
Make sure it doesn't go longer than 9 minutes or I can't put it on YouTube. Okay? So after 9 minutes, stop it and start again. Okay? Okay?
Stop now. Stop.
After 9 minutes,
What there? 9?
yeah, 9 minutes, you stop and start again because it won't take more than 10 minutes on YouTube. Okay? You can stop it now until something happens.
The memory verse.
Memory.
Ha? Oh, batay. Yun.
Good.
Yay! Michael.
Napay. Magsipalo, ikaw. Sige, alis liyo. Ari.
May lala!
Sige, atang alis.
Ano na lang na sila? Isa no? Ani ba? Tunga na lang, pastor. Then, memory verse.
Ang muhatag. Sige, ang muhatag. Urog, ari. Bray. Ari. Sige, ari. Ang muhatag mo.
Ari atubang kang.
Anak. Sige, atag.
Pinipis sa loro. Yan, gibuhat sa Diyos ang langit at lupa.
Ang beginning. Sige. Tunga. Ato day.
Luke 1:37, for with God nothing shall be impossible.
Lupa. Ikaw. Sige, ikaw.
Ikaw na. Sige, kaya. Yes. Good. Ganito lang. Kanang mga dagko
Next.
ko. Sige, hatag bird. Yes. Ikaw na. Ari, hatag bird. Wala mo hatag? Ano ba? Ikaw na. Ha?
Taas mo ba?
Ikaw, hatag bird? Otro na. Hatag si bird. Ano ito nga? Sige.
John 3:3. Isang amante mo ng buhi ka nagsidak ng damutan.
Amen.
Iunsa ba kung dili magbudaki? Kalubato na mo.
Sige, na pa. Pagpanto kay puro na ito na.
Kalimot lagi ko. Ito una introduce na.
Sige, ari, tunga, anak. Sige, kay pidyuon man. Ikaw, ari dai, ari kay pidyuon, ari. Kevin.
Pagtabuhet ako, mag-awit ako, bagyo ba, mag-awit ako, dahil sa akong Ginoo, pagtabuhet pa ako.
Amen. Very good. Ibuhan na.
Sir. Lagi. Mo na sila. Kinsa gay ko. Mo na sila. Sir,
Sige, na pa. Taray. Taray. Napay ka. Eh, kay bidyuon.
Habasit.
Yes.
Pilipas na ito ka, pero magimaya ka mo biya sa
Di ba magmaya ka, Maria?
Sige po.
Lihat. Napa?
na.
Napay mo hatag bird. Kasi mo kanta. Dinyahan mo yung kanta. Hindi abot ni Edward.
How many minutes?
Katao ni.
How many minutes so far? Stop. I think he's on 9 minutes. I think you have more than 9 minutes.
Tagalog lang.
Dali,
How many?
ani dapit na lang. Kainit na.
Ano.
Okay, stop. And then start again, okay?
Kusga. Sige.